Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd bring you a small Dollar Tree and CVS haul. This haul is getting me prepared to pay off my mortgage. So I am stocking up on household items and any other items that's essential because I will be working a lot. When I say a lot to get this mortgage paid off. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I picked up from the Dollar Tree was this 15 square foot thing of Reynolds wrap. Then I picked up some wax paper. I use these for my crafts and they're good, you know, of course, to fix your lunch and things like that. So I picked those up. And these are the essentials I normally get from the Dollar Tree. I get my Dove soap. It's probably cheaper to go to Dollar General or somewhere and just buy a 6-pack, but I like shopping at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes I like to get less than 6, so I like to get the individual Dove soaps. So yeah, I picked up 5 of those, and I also got the Scott regular tissue for $1, and I got a thing of paper towels, and I always pick up Huggy wipes. You can never go wrong with Huggy wipes. I have 5 grandchildren. I'm kind of OCD, so I keep wipes in my purse, my backpack, my car, both bathrooms, so I'm always buying wipes. They used to have 36, they've since went down to 24, but it's still an okay deal for $1. So yeah, so that's Dollar Tree. So stay tuned for CVS. Okay guys, we still working on Operation Mortgage Payoff. So yeah, we stocking up on some household items. So I went to CVS. I love the coupon at CVS, and I picked up these 100% recycled facial tissues by 7th Generation. They were on clearance for $1. So I picked up a box of those. And then I picked up my husband's favorite toothpaste, this Crest plus Scope, and it was originally $4.39, and then they had it on sale for $2.99. And if you buy 2 of them, you get 2 of those will be like $6, $5.98. You get $3 in extra care books, and if you're not familiar with extra care books, those are just coupons. That is just free money to use on your next purchase. So you can do that twice. So I did that twice. So I bought 2 for $5.98, paid $5.98 for it. Then I got $3 back. I did that twice, and I also had a coupon if you buy 3 Crest products. If you buy 3, you get $5 off. And then I had another coupon if I buy 1, that's $2 off. So I know that's a lot, but anyway, so I paid, we're gonna say 3, 6, 9, 12. So I paid $12 for the Crest. Then they took off $5 for the 3. That's knocked that down to 7. Then they took off $2. That knocked that down to 5. So really I paid $5 for all 4 of them. That's before using any other coupons. That's just for the Crest coupons. And then I picked up a thing of Tide pods for $3.49. So yeah, so my total, I don't know what the total was, but I'll show you a video of it when I was at the store. And when I applied all my coupons, because I get the $10 Care Pass rewards card that I pay $5 for every month. So I guess you can still say I paid $5 for all this if you wanted to, but I feel like it's still free because I only paid 70 cents out of pocket. Then I got the $6 reward books to use on my next coupon. So I got $3 for this one and $3 for that one. That's how I got $6. Then I also got a coupon for 20% off to use on my next purchase. So when I go back to CVS, I can use both of these on one item. Yeah, so that's that. And so that's all I got at CVS. So even though it was only 70 cents, so you know I give myself $10 a week for personal and $10 a week for a household. So I didn't even have to use any of that money. I just used 70 cents that I had in change. So yeah. So that's it for that. So remember to scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards. So we're gonna go ahead and scan our receipts. If you're not used to if you're not familiar with Fetch Reward, it is an app that allows you to scan your receipts to redeem, to accumulate points. So this is Fetch. So you got the little dog, he fetching. So I'm gonna get to my thing. I got 35,000 points, which is equivalent to $35. I'm trying to get it. I'm going to redeem it when it get to 100. So go down here and hit the little receipt button, and we're going to scan this Dollar Tree. When I get to it, hit snap. And you got to line it up. Let me get a better angle. Let's try this way. Better angle. So when you snap it, it's gonna do that. It'll tell you got your store, your total, and your date right. So I hit submit and see what I get. I got points. See how many points I got. I probably got some points. What? OMG. I got 3,100 points. Oh, thank you for those Huggy. I got 3,000 points for the Huggy Wipe. Oh, they had a special offer that I didn't know about. Yay. Guess what, y'all? I'm going back and give me some more Huggy Wipes. Yeah. So I'm finna snap another one. Yay. That was good. So if you need some Huggy Wipes, go get you some Huggy Wipes and snap your receipt. So we're going to snap this receipt, CVS, and see what we get. And it'll let you know if you scanned everything. See, it said the date was not in mine. But most of the time, it'll let you go ahead and submit it. And it'll let you manually add the date. So let's see if it's going to ask me to manually add the date. Yeah, missing the purchase date. So it's today's date, the 13th. So I'm going to put it in there. And they're going to have to review that one. And they'll let me know. Because I think I cut the date off. Oh, no. I could have. Oh, well. So anyway. So, yeah, that's Fetch Rewards. So, yeah. Operation Mortgage Payoff, guys. Most of my videos are going to be pertaining to that. I'm excited about paying off this mortgage because that's going to be part of me retiring early at the age of 60. And so, yeah. And so once we pay our mortgage off, I'll revisit our financial plans because I originally had planned to rent this house out to my daughter and purchase another one. But since I'm having some health issues and my husband also having some health issues, we will revisit that idea. So yeah, this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue. Oh no, I gotta. Part of my Operation Mortgage Payoff is to be generous. So in this video, I will be giving two people. I'll be giving, no, how will I do it? No, I'm gonna give one person a $20, $15. Let's do $15. As you can see, I'm just doing it as I go. I'm trying to give away some in every video. That's my goal. So in this video, I will be giving away a $15 Dollar Tree gift card. So if you're interested, just put in the comment section hashtag Dollar Tree. They'll let me know you're interested. Because for some reason my editing app will not let me text information in my videos anymore. So I have to tell you. So do hashtag Dollar Tree. So yeah. Don't forget to download Fetch Rewards if you don't have Fetch Rewards. Yes. So you can get some. You go into the store anyway. Just scan the receipt. Throw the receipt away after you scan it and just get your points. Easy. So this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.